Hey guys, today I have received the Monvict Hot Glue Gun free for review. This comes with the stand and it comes with 30 glue sticks and some are colorful. Retails for $21.99 and it takes between 2 and 4 minutes for the hot glue to heat up. So what you see here is the actual glue gun sitting in the stand, and then here's some instructions. It took me, I want to say, about less than a minute to set the gun up and then plug it in. I waited 2 to 4 minutes, and here's all the glue sticks. I'm going to use a clear. And in the past, I was going to do a DIY, so I had some stuff here in the home, but I've never actually done a DIY, and I've never used a hot glue gun. So I'm going to experience this with you right now and see how easy this is to use a hot glue gun. These are the ribbons that I cut out, and then there's a cutting board, and then there's a bathroom cup dispenser, and all of this stuff is from the Dollar Tree. I also have some beads in which I painted so that I can use it as the legs. So I set up the glue gun in this stand, put the clear glue stick in, it's plugged in, and it's ready to go. Okay, so I'm holding the phone in one hand and I have the glue gun in the other. And I'm going to have to set the phone down and glue all these pieces to the cutting board, and I will be right back. So this is how I'm placing the ribbon on the cutting board and on the soap dispenser. So I've painted some Dollar Tree beads and I'm gluing them to the bottom of the cutting board. I've already put the ribbon on the top of the cutting board, and I've already put the ribbon on the soap dispenser. Okay, so this is the finished look. I know it's not the greatest, but I'm actually demonstrating the glue gun, and it's my first time using it, so I think the glue gun performed pretty good, and I did enjoy using it. I would actually like to do a DIY for Christmas and see what I can pick up from the Dollar Tree and use my glue gun to put something together. So any YouTubers out there that are interested in doing a DIY for Christmas collaboration, sounds fun to me. Just message me and we can get that together, and that'll give me the opportunity to use this Monvict glue gun again. So here's the final product sitting in my bathroom. So that was fun. I enjoyed using this glue gun. I look forward to doing some more projects with this glue gun. It was $21.99. It comes with the 30 glue sticks. Some are in different colors. And it comes with a little stand, which I thought was really neat. So for people who use glue guns, what do you think? I'm not very familiar with glue guns, but to me it was a great deal for $21.99 for all of this, and it works great. So let me know what you think in your comments below, and I will see you in my next video.